How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to one of the most popular series of this channel. Today I will be showing you 5 amazing hidden features that you should definitely start using on your Samsung Galaxy device. Well, all these tips and tricks are extremely useful and I am sure you won't find them anywhere else. With that being said, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this one. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, we all take screenshots on our phone, but did you know you can actually extract text from any screenshot that you have taken? Well, there has been times when we want to copy text from a picture while browsing through Instagram or any other social platform. In situations like this, what you can do is, you can use Smart Select tool by enabling the H panel on your Samsung device. Just go to your settings, then to display. Here you will find something called as H panel. Simply go inside and make sure you turn this on. Now go to panel and enable Smart Select. Now whenever you want to extract text from a picture, simply open the H panel, select rectangle tool which you can find inside the Smart Select. Highlight the area that contains text. Click on done and select extract text. As you can see, the entire text has been extracted from the image and now you can easily copy this text and paste it anywhere you want. For example, I can open WhatsApp, paste it here and send it to my friend. Whenever you want to record a video on your Samsung device, it takes a couple of seconds. First you need to launch the camera, then change the video mode and then hit the record button. Let me show you how you can save some time and never miss out the special moment that you want to record. So to speed up this process without the need of changing the camera mode, all you have to do is long press the camera icon. Here you will see two options. Simply drag and drop the video shortcut on your home screen. Now when you tap on this video icon, it will directly take you to the video mode. So by doing this, you can actually speed up the video recording process. Not only this, you can also create shortcut for all other applications that you have installed on your phone. For example, if I long press the Amazon icon, I can easily create a shortcut that will give direct access to view all my Amazon orders. Similarly, I have created one more shortcut to save all my new contacts. I think it is very useful and it saves a lot of your time as well. Next, if you are playing any video and if you just go back to your home screen or even if you turn the screen off, you can see that the audio also stops along with the video. But what if you just want to listen to the audio in the background? To enable this feature, simply go to your gallery and then play any video of your choice. Now tap on these 3 dots, select open in video player. Now again tap on these 3 dots and select settings. Here you will find an option called play audio only. Make sure you enable this option and that's it. Once you are done, now if you are playing any video on your phone, audio will continue playing in the background even if your phone screen is off. I think it is extremely useful and if you just want to listen to an audio or any song, you can definitely use this feature. Next, if you are using Samsung keyboard, then I have one amazing trick by using which you can save a lot of your time. So instead of typing everything, you just need to speak and keyboard will automatically type for you. All you have to do is go to your keyboard settings, then select swipe, touch and feedback. Here you will find something called as touch and hold spacebar. It will be set to cursor control. Simply change it to voice input. Once you are done, now just press and hold on the spacebar. It will type everything that you say. So instead of manually typing each and every letter, you can use this feature and save a lot of your time. Finally, let me show you one simple hack by using which you can quickly access all your app pages. Guys, we all have a lot of applications in our app drawer as well as the home screen. If you want to open the application that is on the last page, we simply swipe 3 or 4 times, then go to the last page. And it becomes very difficult when you have so many applications. So instead of swiping like this, you can actually make use of these little dots that you see at the bottom of your screen. For example, if you want to open an application that is on the 5th page, you simply need to click on this 5th dot and it will take you directly to the last page. Similarly, if you want to go to the 3rd page, just click on the 3rd dot. It works both on the app drawer as well as the home screen. Definitely try this one out. So that's pretty much it guys. These are 5 amazing hidden features that you should definitely start using on your Samsung device. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.